We are at QMedcourses.in. Let us see what all you can learn from this collection of courses. The first course is Information Resources and Literature Searching. This course is brief and will tell you the most important ABCs about different information resources and also the very fundamentals and principles involved in searching online in a structured manner. Things that you never even thought you didn't know. The second course, Introduction to Referencing, is important when you're writing any paper or publication. You have to cite and refer what other material you've read, and this has to be done in a very, very structured manner again. So you'll know what it is that you need to refer, what you need not cite, and how, what style, and more to do it, and that it's important to use a reference manager to do all this. The third course is Mastering PubMed. Now, even if you've used PubMed a lot, we still recommend that you should go through this because there are things you will have to unlearn and there are things you never knew existed that you should learn and utilize. The focus is that you will save hours of time if you learn the structured approach and that your research will be based on absolutely a solid foundation. The next course is Reference Management with Mendeley. Mendeley is a free software that you can download. You can store all your PDFs. You can store search results from databases like PubMed and random articles that you pick up from journal websites or maybe details of books or maybe websites like WHO's website. You can store all these details in a reference management software. When you write a paper, you can cite and reference from this collection in your Mendeley without typing anything at all. Just imagine the number of hours you would save and the fact that you'd be accurate in what you're doing. All this minimizes the chances of rejection of your paper if you do it all correct. And then we have a collection of very useful resources, websites where you can learn more, websites which are those of organizations which are important for any kind of research work. And then we have a collection of very useful articles pertaining to research, plagiarism, and lots more. This entire site is overall extremely useful for research as well as long-term practice because searching is something you're going to do lifelong. Managing all your articles is again something you need to do lifelong because you just start off a Mendeley or an alternative is Zotero. If you start off with these, you know everything is in one place. You can search them, you can find your article easily and more. If you want to know the detailed contents of every course, go right to the top and click Content Coverage. Here you get a complete split of every lesson that is covered in every course. So just scroll down and you get the whole stuff. So happy learning and also watch out for further courses that we will add in due course.